Today is 3/10/25, and we have one of those Chinese excavator with the big extracted motor. And for the first time in my life, I found a bad spark plug. This thing is pretty brand new. It's only been used for like, I don't know, 30 minutes. And the original spark plug is LG is the brand, F6TC. And I went to O'Reilly's and dropped $5.39 for a Champion spark plug number 415. Right here. 415. RN9YC. So, a previous video, you can see that I put this in the spark plug thing and started it, and it didn't show any spark. So this guy looks pretty close. Threads are nice. I'm gonna put some anti-seize in here, and then we'll put it on. And I'm gonna shut this video down. I'm gonna take my lawnmower Champion spark plug out. The lawnmower one is like half the size. So my dad says if I leave that one in there and it works, by the time I replace it, it'll be difficult because all the soot and the carbon builds up. It'll be difficult to get this one on. But for whatever reason, this cab is really difficult to get on and off, so I'm just gonna do it now. So we're gonna put the right one on. And this was cross-referenced by O'Reilly's. Someone working in there. All right. So if you have this problem, get the spark plug RN9YC.